Rain has always carried meanings beyond water: renewal, memory, purification, and sometimes burden. In Bharatiya English poetry, few poets have explored this symbolism as profoundly as Jayanta Mahapatra. A Rain of Rites is not merely a poem, it is a meditation on conscience, faith, ritual, and the uneasy silence of the soul. Jayanta Mahapatra, one of the most significant voices in Bharatiya English poetry, was born in Odisha. Deeply rooted in Bharatiya history, culture, and spiritual traditions, Mahapatra's poetry reflects a continuous dialogue between faith and doubt, history and personal memory, ritual and reality. His poems often explore guilt, moral anxiety, and the silence that lies beneath inherited beliefs. A Rain of Rites presents rain not as a blessing but as a troubling presence. The poem questions whether rituals truly cleanse the soul or whether they merely repeat themselves, leaving the human conscience restless and unresolved. The poem begins with an image of rain that hesitates, rain that turns back upon its own grey clouds, breaking into light before reaching its destination. This incomplete movement symbolizes spiritual uncertainty. The poet suggests that moments of clarity often arrive without fulfillment, leaving behind fragments rather than answers. One of the most striking images in the poem is the nun's eye, a symbol of moral surveillance and judgment. Described as malignant, it represents a conscience shaped by rigid religiosity. The poet cannot look at it directly, revealing deep discomfort with institutionalized morality that judges without healing. The poem raises haunting questions. Who was the last human being capable of feeling shame, fear, or moral awakening? The cold cloud no longer brings blood to the face. Humanity appears emotionally numb and spirituality desensitized. Even angels are burdened by stale air. Divinity itself appears motionless. The final question, what holds my rain so it's hard to overcome, captures the poet's deepest anxiety, the inability to escape inherited rituals, unresolved guilt, and unanswered faith. A Rain of Rites does not offer confront for closure. Instead, it invites us to dwell within uncertainty. Jayanta Mahapatra reminds us that faith without questioning becomes ritual, and ritual without conscience becomes silence. In listening to the rain, we confront not the sky but ourselves.